I am well aware that people are going to pass me on the leaderboards, and people are like, Matrix Lord, they're going to pass you, mate. And my answer to that is, I know all the time. But why aren't you playing, mate? I'm not playing because today is Poop Thursday. Today is the day, mate, that I fill the bowl. I poop and I poop all day long. Poop, poop, poop. Get it?